Welcome, everybody. First off, thank you for popping in and wasting some time with me, right? Okay. Now, hey, I'm trying to be a minimalist, uh, using modern technology to achieve the goal. All right. Hey, there's a new member to the 420 team. Oh, let's welcome. Welcome what? Oh, Gladys. The cutting board. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Gladys, the cutting board. Now we're going to watch the progress of Gladys. And I destroyed the last one. I treated it poorly, so I'm going to try to see what I can do with this. So let's look at Gladys here. 14 by 20, 3/4 inch thick bamboo. $20 at Wally World. So like 99% of us normal people, we don't do it right. So what you got to do is you got to lube these things once in a while. So here's Gladys, all lubed up and ready to go. Now they said it's going to take me a couple coats to get it on there, but here we go. So we're going to clean something out of the freezer. All right, that's right. We're going to satisfy you people that want to cook something all the time. So say it with me. Let's go to the lab and cook something out of the freezer. Oh, look at this. On the bench, we have some green giant sweet corn. But what it is, they are 12 like size nibbly things or whatever. Okay, so there we go. Cleaning out the freezer. Started getting a little, freezery looking problem, right? Not frostbite, but so here on the bench we have there we go. I got some garlic powder and I cubed up a little bit of butter, right? And then wrapped each piece in a foil with a bunch of butter, right? Did a couple balls, okay? Just had to say balls, right? Okay, we're going to kind of like grill these inside. How's that grab you? Right? Now, while they're grilling, what am I going to do with the rest of these? Okay, so what I did was I individually suck-vaced two in a bag for later. Look at this. Now this is for back in the freezer, but now they're not a giant pack. So if I want to have corn, I can pull out two. Now, let's see where we are. So it says 25 minutes later. Okay. Out come two balls. Now I should have made a little boat better so I could get into them easier. Okay. They were hot. But look at that. Nice. So now here's a little bit of pepper on it. The butter had salt, so I didn't really care about that. But not too shabby. Now, look at this. Question is, right? Would you eat that? Tell you what, it's not too shabby, right? So, wonder what our government is up to lately. But anyway, so there you go. Just to let you know, I do taste the food. But oh, look at that! Isn't that wonderful? Very nicely done. And my YouTube likes when I throw up a quick little one. So I really appreciate popping in. Please leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, period, comma. You don't have to leave nobody cares. Just put it helps the algorithms. Whew, you have a great day, all right? Later.